Good afternoon, folks. My name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. Listen, kind of got a rarity here. We've got a 2007 Toyota Sequoia here. It's a two-wheel drive V8 4.7 liter. This SUV is considered a large SUV, third row seat. It's a base model but has the DVD, sunroof, plenty of power, and the vehicle's not in horrible condition. Folks, I'm going to take you guys for a test drive here in just a minute, but we've got this thing priced right, got it priced to move. As you can see here, it only has 111,000 miles on it, which isn't really bad, about 10,000 miles per year, being that it's a 7 and it's 18 now. Guys, sit back and enjoy the test drive. I could really kind of visualize this vehicle here being used, for medium-sized families, ball games, church events, social functions. This is a 9-passenger. One notable item about this vehicle is it does have great visibility. You can see 320 degrees all the way around. Very, very few blind spots. Here on this next straightaway, we're going to kind of open it up a little bit. Don't really want to go much more over the speed limit. But it is 273 horsepower, V8 4.7 liter. Well, that just about wraps it up for the virtual test drive of this 2007 Sequoia. Folks, it's a sunny day up here in Corydon, Indiana. If you aren't doing anything, don't have any plans for the weekend, give us a little bit of your time. I appreciate the few minutes I got to spend with you guys today. Have a good one. Thank you all.